And so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You're wondering why I have a paintbrush in my hand and I'm a roofer, right? Well, the fascia was rotted out here. We took it out, repainted it for the customer. Just what we do. We're trying to make things right. We want your business. We want you to tell your friends, your mama, your daddy, your bald-headed granny, whoever. Just let them know that we can help them out in anything they need. Roofing, storm restoration, anything. And there's the roof all completed. Brand new roof. $1,250 is all the customer paid.